Now, another COVID scare has gripped Bollywood as a number of celebrities have now tested positive. Actor Arjun Kapoor, along with his sister Anshula Kapoor, have now tested positive for COVID-19. Both of them currently in quarantine at home. Arjun's girlfriend Malaika Arora will be tested soon enough as well. Sonam Kapoor's sister Rhea Kapoor has also been tested positive, along with her husband Karan Bulani. The focus will now be on contact tracing to find all those who came in contact with these celebrities. It's not clear if at all they have been infected by the Omicron variant. In fact, genome sequencing yet to be carried out. This is the second instance of a matter of 3 weeks in the number of Bollywood celebrities testing positive. Either earlier this month, in fact, few actors like Kareena Kapoor, Amrita Arora, Seema Khan, designer Mahib Kapoor had tested positive for COVID. Mahib's daughter, Shanaya Kapoor, has a result that has contracted COVID as well. We're looking at instances on the rise in Bollywood. Let me quickly cut across to Tushar Joshi joining us live for more on that. Tushar, we see that more number of cases among celebrities coming to fore, the latest being Arjun Kapoor and his sister. What's happening? Any word from them as to where they may have contracted it?
Nabila, like you reported, there is definitely a surge and a rise in cases in Mumbai, correct? And Arjun was one of the actors who's also been shooting in Mumbai. In fact, he was shooting for an upcoming film, which means that these people obviously have been in touch. They have been in touch with people. They are stepping out of their houses. They're going on film sets. So exposure to the virus and chances of contracting the virus are very high. You have to understand that Bollywood is not shutting shop. These actors have to go out and do their work. Arjun obviously was one of them. From what I heard, a source close to Arjun told me that as soon as he got tested positive, he has picked up the phone and called up everyone who he met on the set and people who he has been in touch with physically, and he has asked all of them to get tested as well. Arjun's sister Anshula also has tested positive. And like we've reported, Sonam's sister Rhea and her husband Karan Bulani have tested positive. Testing positive is something that might happen more often than we would think in the next few weeks and next few months, especially in Bollywood, because actors are going out on sets. And in the next few months, a lot of shootings which were held back are going to resume. So there is no stigma in coming out and getting tested. Like in the past, Kareena got tested. She came out and she gave a statement and she asked people to get tested and stay safe as well. I spoke to a friend of Arjun and he told me that Arjun is doing fine. Anshula is doing fine as well. They've both given whatever information that is necessary to BMC and the doctors. And they've asked everybody to get tested who has come in touch with them. Malaika also is somebody who is getting tested and making sure that she's safe as well.
Well, while you say a bunch of them are getting tested, contact tracing is also as important, considering we're looking at the Omicron threat. Is there any procedure with regards to that when it comes to Bollywood celebrities, considering they're meeting so many people on sets? Business has started, they've got to get out and work, but unfortunately COVID is crippling their move.
Absolutely. Contact tracing is in fact much more important than finding out that you've turned COVID positive. Contact tracing will not only help those who have come in touch with you to figure out their statuses, but also help people ensure that they're not putting their health at risk. I think one thing that Bollywood has learned in the last few months is that they have established units on film sets where there are masks, there are sanitizers, there is also RT-PCR tests that are done immediately on location. There is only that much that one can do. Like every other industry, Bollywood is also following protocols and norms to ensure that people are safe. But like we are seeing now with Arjun's case or Kareena's case in the past, there will be actors who will be exposed in the coming few weeks and months. There is only little that one can do to take care. Contact tracing, testing positive, making sure that you're quarantined and then testing negative is the only path that one can follow.
All right. Thank you very much, Tushar, for joining us with those details.